Thank you so much for coming out tonight. Raise a glass and toast to all of you beautiful people. Cheers, everyone!
Anna said there was a man outside.
He followed me home from the Woodbraven. Get away from the window. You all right?
It's amazing you didn't catch pneumonia.
Well, I haven't been sick in years.
You just got lost a minute ago.
No, I didn't get lost. Listen, I apologize if I made you feel uncomfortable the other night.
It's fine.
It's not fine.
My uncle talks about you a lot. My dad and I were maybe thinking you could care for him during the day. All you'd have to do is be there and go on walks and stuff.
Why did you follow me home from the party? Or do you only remember when it's convenient?
I don't remember.
You don't know what you're doing. You're not able to make rational decisions right now.
Why did you leave?
Things were just getting complicated.
What do you mean?
Why did you and Mom stop talking?
When your mother was your age, she was out of control.
Not with me.
I'm having a really hard time.
Hi, welcome back. The usual for you?
Oh, yeah.
What's the usual?
I don't know.
You know,
No,
do you remember her?
no.